Greetings everyone, this is Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. This is another flip through I'm doing of a TN Christmas journal. It is using Artie Mae's Cardinal Rose digital kit. And I love it because it has these beautiful cardinals in it and poinsettias. It is held closed with an elastic band and a little charm, little tree, Christmas tree charm. And this stays permanently on the journal, and it has a lace spine. And so we'll get started on the inside. The inside is a combination of tea stain and digital papers and some vintage papers as well. Here's a little wraparound tag for journaling on the inside. It sits inside there. And go on here. Here's a glassine bag with a journaling card on the inside. And a little Christmas Santa there for decoration. Some more paper for journaling on. A couple more tags, little pocket there. Here's a vintage sewing book and some vintage, actually 1934 is the copyright of that vintage paper. Here is one of two, I believe, altered paper clips, and this could be a bookmark as well as a tuck spot with a journaling card inside. And another one here on the back. Some cookie recipes from an old cooking book. And another pocket with some more journaling cards. And a wraparound tag on the top for journaling on the inside. Or whatever you would like to do. This is a nice little handy side, great for Christmas, December daily. Plenty of places to put memorabilia to fill it up and make this little journal your own. Beautiful tag, cardinal there, a little pocket. And so this is from the Artie Mae's Christmas Cheer kit. So I've kind of combined the two kits together. Another tuck spot altered paper clip with a journaling card and one, of course, on back. Here's the belly band with a couple of journaling cards inside. A little decoration there. Joy to the world there on what it says. Another glassine bag with a journaling card. Pocket again. Some ledger paper. Beautiful tag there. And an envelope. I guess this is the third altered paper clip. I guess there are three in here. With a journaling card inside here as well. And there you go. So this is the Christmas TN journal. It will be available in my shop. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, let me hold it a little closer. Maybe it might be helpful to kind of see it up close. Thanks so much for watching. Almost forgot, before I go, I wanted to give you a preview of my next Christmas project. I'm going to be doing a grungy Christmas cloth covered journal, and I'm going to probably be using the dog. I used this last year, loved this photo. Also thinking about the angels too, so I don't know which one you like, but I'm going to be using one of these. So thanks so much for viewing again. Talk to you later. Bye.